It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this track, everything on me, yeah. I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check, 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 check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your picture.
Hello traders, welcome. This is our first daily market outlook here on What the Fuck Trading channel. My name is Christian and today we'll see the major forex pairs, what I'm expecting from the market and potential setups through the upcoming days. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, because this helps us a lot and keeps the daily updates coming. So further on, let's continue. Starting off with EURUSD, we have here the daily chart and we are seeing that we are in a clear downtrend. We see that we are making lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, this is for me clear that it is a downtrend. What we can expect in this situation, we can expect that the market would want to liquidate these equal lows left and to make a new lower low somewhere over here. I'm not looking at buys for EURUSD, it's not my kind of setup, although you can watch for potential buys when the price comes to discounted area, but for me I'm just looking for sells. And from where I'm looking for sells, let me just delete all the drawings. We can see that the order flow is bearish from the supply zones. Yeah, so first we see that this is a nice supply zone that left us with a reaction, a downside reaction. Yeah, price came over here, retraced to the premium prices, and after hitting the daily supply zone from here, it shoots down. Okay, this is the first supply zone. The second one, it was actually this one. Yeah, we can see clearly after the price went down, it retraces where? Inside the second supply, which is connected to the first supply, yeah, and gave a reaction, went down. What I don't like on EURUSD is the fact that currently we failed to break the structure. I was expecting that from this supply zone we can go even lower to liquidate this swing low, but we are now waiting with these two lows as potential liquidity. We're currently inside the new supply zone, which is connected with the first and second supply zones. Okay, so from here we are currently inside the supply. We see that we have some kind of reaction. We have this doji candle for today. I'm not expecting further on new moves on EURUSD because it's kind of late. It's Thanksgiving Day in USA, so I believe that it will end as a doji, and we will see next tomorrow morning what Asia will prepare for us. But considering the fact that it's Friday, maybe a little move to the downside or to the upside. I'm not expecting big moves. So this potential setup as short will be for the next week. I still consider and favor dollar being strong, although the rate cuts are most probably going to happen. But as a technical point of view, I'm looking to make a new lower low. Of course, this scenario is not 100% sure, because from this supply zone that we draw it, we can see price going and liquidating this supply zone, and after that, yeah, agree to make the connection with the bullish order flow, which is just forming. Okay, so we have this demand zone, the second demand zone, we liquidate the new lower high. We came back to the demand zone, leaving another demand zone over here, and price pushing again to the upside, because let's face it, these lower highs could act also as liquidity points. So basically, for me personally, looking for shorts from the supply zone, and after that, if the supply zone is failing, I'm looking for longs. If not, only shorts. Let's look closer to the 4-hour chart. Okay, let me delete all this nonsense. Put again the supply zone on the daily chart. Okay, and what we can see that we have on the lower time frames some points of liquidities, yeah, some highs that needs or were already liquidated. So let's see, this one is still intact, but this one we see after the liquidation, yeah, inside the supply zone we made a reaction to the downside. I don't know if it's strong enough to push the price lower, only this part of liquidity, because indeed we have a lot more lower highs over here resting, and maybe this one could be also a point of interest for the buyers, and also the supply itself, because over here we have equal highs. We can act this supply as a liquidity point. Okay, we can mark it, and we can see the price respecting the lower time frame order flow. Why so? Because right here we have another liquidation in this lower part of the chart. Okay, we have this low that was not touched, so the new structure failed to break the old structure. We have the liquidity point. We also have the change of character. For me, right now, we have this demand zone, which was very much respected. Yeah, we see here it was a clear touch of the demand zone. Right now, we have the second demand zone on the lower time frame, which is battling with the supply zone. Okay, we see we touch the new demand zone in this bullish order flow, and if the new high from the 4-hour chart gets beaten, then of course we will have a new demand zone over here. And I'm not looking for sales just today or tomorrow. Like I said, it's a setup for the next days, for the next week. I'm looking for a lower time frame correction in the order flow. I would like to see a supply in control also in the lower time frame, such as the 4-hour chart. Okay, because if we can beat this supply zone, yeah, we see a reaction to the downside and make a new supply over here, I could say, okay, right now the demand zone is failing. We have the higher time frame supply zone. We have the liquidation of old high left behind. We have the new supply zone on lower time frame, which is in control, and looking to extend my shorts until we break maybe this low or also this low. Yeah. So until then, I'm just waiting on the sidelines for EURUSD. I'm just looking for the break of structure, for the break of the order flow on the lower time frame. The setup for me looks good. We have, like I said, liquidity, just waiting for the order flow to shift. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. If you would like to take your trading to the next level, join our Discord community, where we post daily setups, and also we discuss about trading, but also make a lot of jokes and have a lot of good time. You will see on the screen a QR code. You can scan it to join quickly the Discord, or in the link in the description section. So see you there. that is everything I've got for the first outlook. Thank you for being here, your support really helps us grow the channel. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and also to join our Discord community. And also a quick question for you, please let me know in the comment section below what other pairs do you want me to analyze in the future. See you tomorrow. Peace.
It's the end of the month and the weekend.